Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Please like this video and subscribe to our page so you can keep up with all of our new inventory. Today I'll be taking you through 2019 Harris 270 Grand Mariner. As you can see, this is the black railing with the black package, so all the rails have been powder coated black. Very sharp looking boat. It's also got the matching black Delta tower. Come around the back of the boat here. Notice this boat has the LED package, so it's going to have underwater lights as well as under rubber rail lights and cup holder lights. Got a big 350 horsepower outboard back here. Get you all over the lake. Pull your tubers. Do pretty much whatever you need to do and get you there. You need to get there in a hurry. All right. Back here, right in this area here, you're going to see your plug-in for your battery charger, your speakers out the back of the boat, independently zoned, so you can turn the music up so the people tubing behind the boat can either hear it, or if you're anchored out somewhere, you can listen to the music out behind the boat. So there's a ski pylon that goes around the outboard here. This heavy duty ladder is going to take us up into the back of the boat here. Right, in the back we have this great lounge pad here. We can push this release, flip it around, and that's going to give us a great big lounging area while we're anchored out. Also, you can see we have extra stereo controls back here, USB ports and 12-volt ports. Plenty of cup holders to go around, and once again, another stereo control. So we walk forward here into this large cockpit area. You're going to see lots of storage underneath all of the seats. All these seats have double hinge storage, one for quality and two for durability. You're going to keep that upholstery looking good so nothing's catching on anything and everything stays in one piece. So you see the upgraded DuraWeave flooring in this boat. Stays nice and cool, easy to clean, and looks nice with the camel tan interior. Right, over at the helm here, we have the elevated helm station. Reclining seat. You have your upgraded stereo down here, as well as your touchscreen SIMRAD with digital dash and GPS. Plenty of storage up at the helm as well for your captain. There, and underneath the helm, down here. One of the great things about the 270 Grand Mariner is your dual entry from either side of the boat. The starboard side or the port side over here have full-size doors, as well as a full-size door up in the front of the boat. More in-floor storage at this boat, and great looking loungers in the front, providing tons of storage and seating for everybody. That pretty much wraps up the Harris 270 Grand Mariner. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher here at Lake of the Ozarks MarineMax. If you have any questions, please reach out to us or find us online at www.marinemax.com. Thanks, and have a great day.